Hi guys! Welcome to Plant Care Tips channel. In this video, I will talk about the 5 most common mistakes made in snake plant care. If you're a houseplant lover, chances are you've come across or cared for a Sansevieria, otherwise known as the snake plant. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is favored for its succulent green leaves and low-maintenance nature. The tropical houseplant prefers well-drained soil and does well in low-light conditions, making it easy to care for. Still, like all plants, it will struggle if it does not receive the proper care. So, what are the 5 common mistakes that will kill your snake plant? 1. Inappropriate watering. Improperly watering your snake plant is one of the easiest ways to kill it. Like many succulent plants, it does not tolerate overwatering because its thick leaves can store lots of water for later use. So, snake plant don't require watering as regularly as other houseplants. Overwatering can result in root rot, which kills the plant since the roots can't absorb nutrients. Signs include drooping, bending, or yellowing leaves. Remember to choose containers with drainage holes to avoid waterlogging the soil. 2. Improper lighting. Snake plants enjoy bright indirect light, but they can tolerate partial shade. Keeping your snake plant in a dark basement isn't exactly optimal since all plants require light for photosynthesis to survive. Bring the plant into more light if you notice a lack of growth and thin leaves. On the other hand, the plant won't survive in the blazing sun. Too much sunlight results in burnt and wrinkled leaves. Fix the issue by pruning off dead or burnt leaves and moving to a shadier spot. 3. Extreme temperatures. Snake plants can also suffer from the effects of extreme temperatures. Heat stress presents itself as dry leaf tips and curling or wilting leaves. If the soil is dry, give the plant water and move to a cooler location. Prune off any dead leaves and allow the plant to readjust. 4. Lack of nutrients. A lack of nutrients can kill any plant, but so can too many. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots, having similar effects to root rot, while too little means the plant lacks nutrients. 5. Failure to repot. While snake plants prefer being root-bound, they still require repotting every so often. The plant may stop growing or even break through a clay pot. Opt for a clean pot one size up from your current pot. A deep one is best since snake plants are top-heavy. Repot into fresh, well-drained soil and finish with a generous watering. In general, snake plants require repotting every 5 years or so. While the snake plant is difficult to kill, issues can arise. Fortunately, proper care is the best way to keep your plants happy and healthy. Opt for bright indirect lighting and well-drained soil. Remember to fertilize sparingly, water when the soil is dry, and repot as necessary. With the right care, your plant will continue to grow and thrive. You can propagate new baby plants and even spot a few blooms.